Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate design approvals using Loom. Review links step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the Loom application installed on your device. Open the design file that requires approval. Create a Loom video by launching the Loom app. Choose whether to record your screen, webcam, or both, based on your presentation needs. Begin recording by clicking the red record button when you are ready. Walk through the design, highlighting its key features and elements that need approval. Be clear and concise as you explain the purpose of each design aspect. Once you've covered all important points, stop the recording. After stopping, you'll be taken to the Loom editing interface. Here, you can trim the video or add any necessary captions if needed. Once satisfied, click the share button to generate a link for your video. Copy the Loom review link provided after you click share. Compose an email or message to the stakeholders who need to review the design. Paste the Loom link into your email or message. In your message, provide context and instructions on what feedback you are seeking. Encourage stakeholders to leave comments or feedback directly on the Loom video. Set a deadline for feedback to keep the approval process on track. Monitor the Loom link for any comments or feedback from the stakeholders. Make any necessary adjustments to the design based on the received feedback. After modifications, repeat the process if further approval is needed. Follow up with stakeholders to ensure they have reviewed and approved the revised design. Once approved, finalize the design for implementation or distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.